Untitled, so I hope you're well. In this video, we're going to revisit using the send message block and the start on message block.
The story behind this project is Kitten and Penguin on a play date. Right, so first I'm going to change the background. Let's change it to an empty room. There we go. Let's move the kitten over to there. Next we need to add Penguin. So we go to the plus button below the kitten there. Scroll down and find the penguin. There it is. And then press tick to select it. Great, so now we've got our two characters. Now we need to code each individually. So let's start with the penguin. So I'm going to go to the yellow category, select the start on green flag button. We're then going to go to the purple category and find the say block and add that. Then we're going to go back to our yellow category and find the send message block, and then we're going to go to the red category for the end of program block. So what we're asking it to do there is for the speech bubble to be sent to the other character. Let's change what they're going to say. So let's click on the say block there. Let's delete that. Hello, how are you? That's what the penguin's going to say. Next we go back to kitten and we're going to program kitten now. Now we go to the yellow category, but we don't do the green flag start block because kitten is only going to respond once the message from penguin is sent to them. So instead we're going to use the start on message block, and then we're going to add a say block from the purple category, and then we're going to end the program from using the end block from the red category. So we need kitten to respond. So penguin is saying, hello, how are you? I am great. Thanks for asking. Okay, there we go. So let's test it. So we're going to press the green flag. What we expect to see is the penguin to say, hello, how are you? And then once that has been said, kitten receives that message and responds with, I am great, thanks. Hello, how are you? I'm great, thanks for asking. What we could do is let's edit that and change that full stop to a question mark. There we go. So let's try that again. Brilliant. Hello, how are you? I'm great, thanks for asking. Fantastic. Let's reset that and look it on the full screen. Fantastic. And obviously if you want to make any edits, go back to the screen and off you go. Well done, everyone.
Thank you for watching. I hope you found that video useful. If you're watching this video on YouTube, the next video will appear somewhere on the screen shortly, and all you need to do is click on that to access the next video. If you want to see all of the videos in one place, please go to mrvullo.com/ScratchJr. I'll add the link in the description below. If you do have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. All my contact details are on my website. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.